Hey guys, welcome back to Inchworm Gardens. This video is completely random and different, but I thought it'd be good to make. I'm sitting here in the middle of 12 acres of beautiful wooded forest in Tennessee that is on the chopping block to be completely mowed down, destroyed, and paved over for 130 houses. It's a shame, and it's right in our backyard. This is actually the fourth development around our neighborhood that is being developed. It's the last little patch of nature in this area, which is really sad because I know this place is full of deer and animals and turtles, and it's just heartbreaking to think of it all just being mowed down and destroyed. So I've never been back here before because it's private property, and what I'm doing now is technically trespassing, but you know what? I don't care because this was bought by a developer in California. They obviously don't care about the land, they just want to utilize it for investment properties and monetary gain, which I understand, but it's just a shame because this is happening all over the world. We're losing these beautiful areas. So I came out here and I'm gonna appreciate and enjoy this space for whatever time I can until it's gone. So anyway, just something to reflect on. It's a bummer. I have no solution for what to do about it. It's just part of progress. Anyway, so I'm just gonna explore these woods, and I thought I'd take you along. If I find anything interesting, I'll let you know. But guys, do whatever you can to protect your wildlife in your areas and at least take advantage of them, enjoy them while they're still here. It's a precious commodity, it's a precious part of the earth that is sadly gonna be slowly dwindling as it's been for years. So there you go, kind of a bleak outlook on this Sunday afternoon, but hey, I'm gonna get exploring here. All right guys, thanks for being here. Check out these awesome little rock formations here. You're gonna have a hell of a time leveling this place. This is an interesting little corridor here. It goes all the way back, comes through here, goes to there. I do see a chain link fence over there. I think that's the neighboring property. So we'll go down that little hallway there. Try to stay low and quiet. Cool little grassy area. It's all this same kind of grass or bush, I'm not sure what it is. But definitely home to a lot of wildlife out here. They're all gonna have to be relocated. Just drive them further into the suburbs, getting hit by cars, getting driven out of their homeland. It's just sad. But I'm really glad that I'm able to enjoy this right now and kind of pay respects to this space. It's just beautiful. This forest floor is just covered in this moss. Dig down, look at that, that's beautiful. Just years and years. Just beautiful. Fallen debris turns into this great soil. This stuff is so valuable. And just imagine the soil quality of this place after they run giant bulldozers through here. Just rip up all this topsoil. You got nothing but clay underneath. It's a shame. I think one thing we can all do is just plant more trees, plant more flowers, start gardens, just create more nature in your own little sphere of influence, your own backyard, wherever you can. Just create these havens for these bugs, all the beneficial insects that are just losing their habitat. You can create that in your own space. If you have land, plant as many trees as you can. So I guess that's one way to be causative over it, is just plant more plants to make up for the ones that are getting destroyed. That's something. See these little runs all over. I'm sure this is deer activity, no doubt. They got their own little passageways they cut through the forest. I'm following one of those right now. Here we go. Can I see that? You recognize that guy? That is a beautiful eastern box turtle. Let's see if we can get a little close up of his cute little face. Hey, bud. Hope you can get out of here in time, man. Hopefully he'll hear the rumbling of those bulldozers coming and he'll get out of here as quick as he can. Guess you ever see fern gully? That's what it reminds me of. The hexus moving in. That's exactly what's happening here. Anyway, it's a beautiful turtle. Hey guys, I'm sorry to intrude in your space. I'm just appreciating it. These white-tailed deer all over the place. Here's one of the few signs of human activity I've seen back here so far. It's interesting. It's a parking cone, obviously, but it's marking a little spot here. I'm curious if that has any more meaning. It looks like it goes down pretty deep. I wonder if that's a spring or something. I wonder if they've identified underground caverns and stuff like that. I imagine they do some sort of surveying like that before they bring heavy equipment on here. So, who knows? I will definitely put that back for them. Yeah, with all these rock formations, I'm sure there's some underground caverns here. I know there's a bunch of them all around Tennessee, so who knows? I actually got a little turned around. Good thing I checked the compass direction before I set out here. Oh my gosh, look at this guy. He is checking me out. Hey, bud. They don't get too many visitors around here, I guess, which is great. Hi, dear. Alright, I love animals, love nature, but I'll have to admit, this is probably one of the most hated little creatures around here. Tick. Oh, this is going to make my wife's skin crawl. She hates ticks. And I told her when I was coming out here I was probably going to pick up a couple of these guys, so check myself when I get home. Yeah, ticks are no fun. And they are abundant in the woods out here. Alright, check out this awesome stump I found. It's totally dead. It's in 2 pieces, but it is way cool. You know what? I think I can find a cool place for this in the garden as a little remembrance of this trip and this forest that is soon to be no longer here. Alright, so I'm going to peck this guy out, get back to the road, and carry this down the street without looking too out of place. Alright, here we go. I made it out. Got my logs. There's the forest. That was a lot of fun. We'll probably visit again.
Daddy, I want. Daddy, what do you have, Daddy?
Alright, there's the temporary home for the stump. Looks very cool. And I think I will probably put it in this corner over here. Once this butternut squash is done, I'll probably pop it right in that corner. I think that will look really cool. Alright guys, that's it for today. Thanks so much for coming along on that little adventure. I guess the takeaway is just do anything you can to contribute, promote conservation. Short of that, just plant a big garden, plant a bunch of flowers for the pollinators. If you have acreage, plant as many trees as you can, because unfortunately there's deforestation occurring in the world, and anything you can do does help. Alright, that's it guys. Thanks again. Here's a little outro of a cool swallowtail butterfly larva munching on some fennel. Have a good weekend. Catch you on the next one.